Hello guys, in this video we'll solve one important question on mensuration. We'll cover a topic of frustum. So let's see what is frustum. Suppose we have a circular cone. This is a right circular cone, and if we cut from here and we remove that above portion, so this will be in the form of this figure, which is called as frustum. So this is a question which is referred to this frustum. So in this question it is given that the radii of the ends of a bucket, it is a type of bucket which is inverted, it is shown inverted over here. The radii of the buckets of height 24 centimeter and its height is 24 centimeter, and radii, this is one radii, that is 15 centimeter. I represent with a capital R. Other radii is 5 centimeter. I represent with small r. And this is L is the latent height. So now we have to find its capacity and surface area of the bucket. Capacity means we have to find out the volume, how much a liquid can be occupied in this. So that is the volume. And other thing, we have to find out the surface area of the bucket. Surface of this bucket which is opened on one side and the bottom is closed. So we have to find out the surface area of sides and surface of the bottom. That's why we have to find out the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area plus area of base. That is one thing. Second, we have to find out the volume. Volume of the bucket is solved by the formula 1 by 3 pi h r square plus rr. So from here we know the values of the r and small r and capital R both, and height is also known to us, so we can find out the volume of the bucket. So let's see how to find out. Now we'll substitute the value in this equation. That is, the volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi is 3.14 multiply by height is 24. We'll substitute value of r square plus 5 square plus 15 multiply by 5. That is r into r. We'll solve it now. This is 3.14 oblique 3 multiply 24 and multiply by this. This is 225. 15 square is 225 plus 25 5 square plus 75 15 5, and this is equal to 3.14. We will multiply this by into 8 and multiply. If we add this 225, this is 75 plus 25 100, so this is 325. So we'll finally solve over here. 3.14 multiplied by 8 is 325. If we multiply this is 25.12 multiplied by 325. If we multiply 25.12 multiplied by 325, it comes to 8.18 164 centimeter cube. 8164 centimeter cube is the volume of this. Now we have to find out this surface area, latent surface area and area of the base. So for this, the formula is lateral surface area is equal to pi L R plus R. This is the formula, and from here we have to find out the value of the L first. The value of the L is a triangle, right angle over here. So value of the L is equal to h square plus R minus R whole square under root. We'll substitute the values. H is 24, R minus R 15 minus 5 whole square under root. This 24 into 24 is 576 plus 100, 676 under root. This is 26 centimeter. So like that we can calculate. We find out the value of the L over here. So we'll substitute the value of L in this equation. So we'll get the lateral surface area first. So this is 3.14 pi multiplied by 26. This multiply 15 plus 5, 20. Further we'll solve it. 3.14 into 26 into 20. We'll add this 15 plus 5, 20. Then if we multiply this 520 and 3.14, further we have to multiply and find out the value. So we'll solve here. 520, 314, even you can find out the value by fast trick method also. This is equal to 1632.80 centimeter. So this is the latent surface area, and now we have to find out one more thing. Area of the base. Radius is 5 centimeters, so area of base is pi r square, that is 3.14, multiply by 5 square, that is 3.14 into 25. This comes to around 78.5 centimeter square. So we'll add this area in the lateral surface area. So we'll get the total surface area of the bucket. So total surface area of bucket is equal to 1632.80 plus 78.5. If we add, it comes to 1711.30 centimeter. So this is our answer. So we already found out the capacity of that. That capacity is 81 0.64 centimeters cube, and this is the surface area of the bucket. So in this way you can calculate this type of sums by applying these formulas. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel so that you can see more videos in future as well.